I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
So there's this quote from, it's one of the laws, that not really a law, just an observation, but this thing called Gall's law, which is about complexity. So I think the thing that's nice about Bitcoin layer 1 is it's not super simple, but it's sort of stable. It does one thing, does it well, and it doesn't add a lot of risky extra things, like state and race conditions and program, like complicated programs that depend on a lot of states, and you just get yourself tied in a knot with that kind of thing. So anyway, Gall's law says a complex system that works is invariably found to have evolved from a simple system that works. The inverse proposition also appears to be true. A complex system designed from scratch never works and cannot be made to work. You have to start over, beginning with a simple system. So on that basis, I think Bitcoin's on the right track, and we won't necessarily know the limits of what it could evolve to, but it's evolving in the right way that any kind of robust system that we rely on in the world has started from. Like complex systems tend to fail and have to get rewritten, is what that's saying. And it's a kind of complex software systems observation.